Hello, good morning, children. Here we are with our another lesson. First, I would like to give information regarding something like some of you might not have attended the Google Meet yesterday. Yesterday's Google Meet we have completed L3 lesson 3. Okay, and previous class on Wednesday also we have completed our L2 in our in place of grammar class. No problem. In case some of you have missed any classes, so no worry. You can go through because the Wednesday class is already there in the Google Classroom, and yesterday's Google Meet, those who have not attended, I am including that lesson today in this LP4 landforms and lifestyle. So those who have not done the Google Meet yesterday can follow up here. Okay, so this is for everyone general. And yesterday also I made one more announcement that from now onwards every Wednesday we will have SS class in place of grammar. Okay, so that's it. So I hope that is clear. If you have any doubt you can just contact me. Okay, text me. Okay, so we'll start our lesson. Actually today's lesson is landforms and lifestyle, but I've added the Plateaus and Plains Google Meet class today also. So in the previous two classes, we have already completed the internal and the external processes and the formation of the three types of mountains. And yesterday in Google Meet, we have completed the plateaus and plains, which we will be including today itself, and we'll see the relationship of humans and landforms. Okay, so these are the things we will be doing. So this is the what we have done yesterday in Google Meet, which we will review. For those who have done, no problem. For those who have not done, for them. Okay. So plateaus are elevated part. Any place which is elevated, say more up above the land, a plain area. But the plateaus, only one condition is there. How to recognize it's a plateau? If it has got a flat table, flat top table land, then we know it is a plateau. And its meters, its range is from few hundred to thousand meters. Here some of the examples are given, like mountains are also old mountains and new mountains are there. Same way plateaus are also young and old are there. So some examples are there: Deccan Plateau, which is the oldest, then East African and North, these are the old plateau. Tibetan Plateau is the highest, and this is the range 4000 to 6000 meters high. So how to recognize a plateau? Always remember it will have a flat land, and it is not higher like a mountain. It is lesser than a mountain but higher than a hill. Okay, so it's got a flat area, an elevated place with a flat area. Now next is, what are the importance of plateaus? The importance of plateaus are always rich in minerals. Minerals means coal, iron, manganese, diamond, gold, all these minerals. Okay, so African plateau, it is in Africa, which is very famous for gold and diamond. And Indian, like Indian plateau, Chota Nagpur plateau is famous for iron, coal, manganese. And some of the plateaus do have waterfalls also, which becomes a good tourist destination. Like in India we have Jog Falls, okay, and we have Hundru Falls. Hundru Falls, if you have not heard the name, Jog Falls, I think you have heard the name. So again, some plateaus are formed because of volcanic eruption. There we have black soil, which is again very good for cultivation. So it's a very simple lesson. So simply you have understood plateau is a raised area with a flat land, and these are some of the importance of plateau. Next is plains. Plains are simply example of our own place in Dimapur. If you compare Dimapur with Kohima, Mokokchung, then you will understand what is the main difference of this. The main difference is Dimapur is flat. We don't have to go up, down. So Dimapur is a plain area. So I hope you have understood what is a plain area. And Kohima and Mokokchung, these are hilly areas. So plain areas are land which is stretches of land and not higher than 200 meters. If there is still elevation is there, it has to be maximum 200 meters, not above that. That's a plain area. Now plain areas are very slightly rolling and little bit undulating, but plain areas are formed from mountains only. Because how a plain area is formed? By erosion of soil with the help of rivers, wind and all this. So many years it takes to make the plain area formed with the help of all these, and it becomes a flatlands. In plains, land is fertile, cultivation is very much easily available, transport is very easy. You can see that how easily we travel around Dimapur, and you know in hilly areas how hard it is to travel. So traveling is easy, cultivation is easy. And in Asia, this plain area is formed by some of the rivers because of this erosion, like Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yangtze river. So because of all this, these plain areas are formed with the erosion of the help of these rivers. Now the importance of plains, I have already told you, it is very fertile. That means cultivation is more, and it's because river is very close to plains. That's why irrigation is easy, and roadways and railways are easily connected. As you know, as you can see only railway station is in Dimapur. If you want to take the railway station hill areas, you know how difficult it is. But now it is going to Kohima, but it is so difficult. So plain area, roadways and railways is easy, and construction of house is also very easy. You can see here houses build up so easily within so short time. But in Kohima, Mokchung, Junubot, all these areas, you can't build house so quickly, and it is so much heavy cost. So construction of houses is also very easy in plain area. This was the Google Meet class yesterday which we have done, but those who could not attend, for them I have included this. Okay, now this is today's main lesson, landforms and lifestyles. Now see, hill is there, mountain is there, plains area is there, plateau is there, so many different landforms are there. Now how these landforms affect our lifestyle, human beings? Of course it affects. Now see, a person living in Dimapur, how his lifestyle is very different. Now a same place, same person go and live in Kohima or in Mokchung or in Junuboto or in some hilly area, his lifestyle will change. There he easily cannot travel. Traveling is hard. His house will be different because weather condition is different. So living style is different. Eating different. Here when we are, we get more things of eat because availability. There certain things might not be available. Then here we might eat something which is we are buying from market. Not fresh, but in village again they might get a fresh things. So lifestyle change with the landforms. Okay, humans have been living on various landforms, as you know, since ages. Hill also we find, plain also we find, jungle also we find, and they have adapted the ways. Now people living in mountain are very different from people living in the plain. I have already explained. Natural disaster destroy human life, but they are often the result of human activity. This one I have already discussed in previous class also. While making road, we cut the mountains, and that's why so many natural disaster happens because of our own fault. Water should be used carefully. Obviously, in plain area we don't care about water, but you go Kohima, Mokchung, Zanavato, they care about water so much because water is not easily available. So these are the things you have to understand. We need to conserve our environment for future generation. Now how we are living, we have to use the resources judiciously so that future our next generation can use them properly. We must not use natural resources carelessly. Okay, so this is today's class. Now assignment, please don't get confused. Those who have yesterday already taken the class, they have sent me the assignments already. There was no Google Classroom assignment yesterday because it was Google Meet. So but whatever I have given yesterday, I included today again. Those who have not done yesterday, for you it will be too many things, but those who have done yesterday, for them whatever is new today, you just do that one, and whoever has not done yesterday, for them I have given this one. So it becomes little too much. That's why today I am not giving any assignment in Google Classroom, and I am giving you time till next Tuesday to complete all this. And if you have any doubt after completing, then you can show me in WhatsApp for verification, only to see whether that is right or not, or anything to be added. So you will read 2 LP, Plateaus and Plains, Landforms and Lifestyle, and you will complete your workbook S3, those who have not completed. And those who have completed, well and good. And you will complete my learning chart PQ7 AQ1 in your content book and PQ9 A6 in your notebook. If you have any doubt, please contact me. So thank you once again. Stay home, stay safe, take care, enjoy your class. Bye bye.